Hi everyone. Now my third question is what about question answer writing practice. Okay, so this video series is Dhyanam and meditation. This is it's given. We can go for Dhyanam also. Third question number third. While marine fishing and processing industry are concentrated in western coastal state, what is asking? While marine fishing and processing industry are constructed in western coastal state, inland fishing and processing is constructed in eastern coastal state. Give reason. While marine fishing, what the question? Question is again marine. Oh my god. Yeah, marine fishing. It's asking about the marine fishing and processing industry are constructed in the western coast. Western coast. Okay, and what is asking next? Inland fishing. Inland fishing are constructed in eastern coast. Give the reason why this is happening. So first of all, fishing is a major livestock sector in India and primary sector activity, and we rank second in the fishing. We will describe as a introduction. First of all, my introduction will be sorry. So introduction will be what is the fishing. So fishing is a livestock sector. First of all, it is a livestock sector and it is second rank. It is the second rank in world in terms of fishing. Fishing is of two types, mainland and inland. First is the mainland and second is the inland. So it is asking why mainland in the western and why inland is in the eastern part. Okay. So marine fishery contribute of food security and provide direct employment to 1.5 million fishermen. 1.5 million fishermen are getting this. Indirectly dependent on the sector. Inland fishery India is blessed with huge and untapped fishery potential. It has 29000 kilometer of river and 0.3 million hectare of estuaries. These are the estuaries. Okay, and 0.19 million hectare of backwater we have. But both are not equally developed on both coastline. Why? Large producer of marine fish and state like West Bengal in east is larger producer of inland fish. Okay. So processing activity as a consequence is similarly developed in uneven fashion. So what are the reasons? Question is asking about the what are the reason. The first reason is continental shelf is wider in the western coast. Continental shelf. Okay, continental shelf is wider in western part. Okay, so continental shelf has that unique role of making the marine area as a perfect breeding ground of fishes. The wider continental shelf make water shallow and maintain optimum temperature and host coral that provide food or for fishes. So this is wider, that's why we can get here easily. Corals are there, even foods for fishes are there. Okay, and continental shelf on the Arabian side 640 kilometer wide, and no area on eastern sides have even as third of it. Okay, so east side however has a narrow continental shelf, and so marine fishing is underdeveloped. So if we are discussing about the eastern side, there is the narrow, it is narrow in the continental shelf, that's why there is no marine fishing. What is the second reason? Second reason is shipping industry is well developed in western coast. So shipping industry is also well developed in the western coast like Majgaon Dock Limited we can say. Third is plain in east coast, there is a plain area. So in plain area inland can be possible, but marine fishing can't be possible. Okay, so like plain are necessary for developing shrimp farming ponds or pisciculture tank. So western Ghat is deprived of plain and eastern Ghat is highly scattered, and the presence of big deltas gifted east coast with the many plains. Okay, this is the third. Fourth reason is the presence of many estuaries. Like here we can see the Narmada, Tapti and brackish water like Chilika Lagoon. So here we can see the Chilika Lagoon, okay, in Odisha. So help development of inland fishing. So here is the inland fishing because of the Chilika Lake we can see. large and wide east flowing peninsular river, so Ganga, Godavari, have becoming natural breeding ground for the inland fishing. So these are the natural breeding ground for the inland fishing. Okay, and the western coast, since it has few short and narrow streams like Nellore, we can say India's largest producer of inland shrimp. So in western area that is not that much. Now next is government policies. Sixth reason is government policies like subsiding ship procurement in Maharashtra have incentivized marine fishing there, and for instance Mapeda scheme in Andhra to promote inland fishing. Mapeda scheme is in the Andhra Pradesh, that is to improve the inland fishing. Next is the food culture. So due to the all the above factor, historically people have developed a liking for marine fish and inland fish, shrimps, and is prawn also, prawn, prawn, spring and prawn, shrimp and prawn in west and east coast respectively. So in the conclusion, what we will see in the conclusion, we will give the reason first. Fishing and fish processing has a huge influence on geography, locations, and factors involve huge weight loss. Because fish processing involve huge weight loss, the processing is done closer to where fishing is done, and thus above stated factor have influenced the location of processing industry closer to fishing zone, that being located near the market. So this effect we will describe about in this question.